solids and magnetic properties. So, solid generally exhibits magnetic properties. First, let me explain magnetic properties. First one, what is magnet? What is magnet? The substance which attracts iron, nickel towards is known as magnet. That means the substance which attracts iron, nickel, etc. towards is known as magnet. So, this, for example, if you take a bar magnet, this is bar magnet, this north pole, south pole. A magnet has two properties. First one is attraction property, second one is repulsion. First one is attraction property, second one is repulsion property. The attraction property of repulsion property of a magnet is known as magnetism. Ism means nature. So what is magnetism? Magnetism. The attraction property or repulsion property of a magnet is known as magnetism. So on the basis of the attraction or repulsion of the magnet to the substances are classified as three types. First one is paramagnetic substances. Second one is ferromagnetic substances. Third one is diamagnetic substances. What is paramagnetic substances? The substances which are partially attracted by the magnet. That means approximately 50% attracted with the magnet. They are known as paramagnetic substances. Next, for example, copper. Next, what is ferromagnetic substances? The substance which strongly attracted by that means 100%, which is strongly attracted by the magnet is known as ferromagnetic substances. For example, iron. What is diamagnetic substance? The substance which does not attract by the magnet, that means which repelled by the magnet is known as diamagnetic substances. For example, wood, rubber, cork, etc. So now magnetism three types: paramagnetism, ferromagnetism, diamagnetism. So solids exhibits three types of magnetic properties. First one paramagnetic substance, second one ferromagnetism, third one diamagnetic substance. What is paramagnetism? That means the magnetism where substances are partially attracted by the magnet. Partially attracted by the magnet is known as paramagnetism. Define paramagnetism. The magnetism where substances partially attracted by the magnet is known as paramagnetism. Next, reason for paramagnetism. Reason for paramagnetism is presence of unpaired electrons. Presence of unpaired electrons in the valence shell. That is the reason for magnet. Reason for paramagnetism is presence of unpaired electrons in valence shell. Example, copper is a paramagnetic substance. Why? So copper atomic number Z29, Therefore, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. We had argon 18, 4s2, 20, 3d9, 29. So there is a formula there. Here 4s2, s orbital 3d. Stability of atoms. So in valence shell, if major orbital fully filled or half filled, it gets more stability. So in copper, the major orbital is 3d. So it is 3d9. So it required fully filled 1 electron. So by applying the stability of atoms, then argon 4s1, 3d10. So this is copper electronic configuration, valence shell configuration. So copper has anomalous electronic configuration, 4s1. Now 3d10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Coon's rule, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, according to Coon's rule. So this is in copper valence shell, number of unpaired electrons. Let me take n. N is equal to 1. So number of unpaired electrons is equal to 1. So copper exhibits paramagnetism. So the magnetic momentum of a substance or atom or ion can be calculated. Magnetic moment, its symbol is mu. Magnetic moment mu is equal to square root of n into n plus 2, units is Bohr magneton. So magnetic momentum mu is equal to square root of n into n plus 2, where n is equal to number of unpaired electrons. Therefore, for copper mu is equal to question mark. Therefore, for mu is equal to how much? Therefore, for copper n is equal to 1. Therefore, mu is equal to square root of 1 into 1 plus 2. That is equal to root 3. That is equal to 1.732. That is equal to 1.73 Bohr magneton. Next, solid sex exhibits second type of magnetism, ferromagnetism. What is ferromagnetism? That means the magnetism where substances are strongly attracted by the magnet. Strongly attracted by the magnet. Strongly attracted by the magnet is known as ferromagnetism. Next one. Reason for ferromagnetism. Reason for ferromagnetism is presence of more number of unpaired electrons. Presence of more number of unpaired electrons. More number of unpaired electrons. So what is the, when a substance exhibits ferromagnetism, when a substance presents, if a substance or atom or ion has more number of unpaired electrons, it exhibits ferromagnetism. For example, let me take iron. We know that iron is a strong ferromagnetic substance. Why? Iron, its symbol is Fe, Latin name is ferrum. So iron atomic number, Fe, atomic number is 26. Therefore, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, we add argon. Next 4s2, 20, 3d6, 26. This is iron valence shell. Four is to 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In iron, The number of unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of unpaired electrons, that means number of unpaired electrons is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So iron, that is a Fe, acts as a strong ferromagnetic substance. Why iron acts as a ferromagnetic substance? Because in iron there are 4 unpaired electrons. Due to this unpaired electron, iron acts as a strong ferromagnetic substance. Let me calculate mu for iron. We know that magnetic moment mu is equal to square root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magnetons. Here n value is equal to 4, therefore 4 into 4 plus 2 Bm, that is equal to root 4 into 6 Bm. So root 4 into root 6, that is equal to 2 into 2 root 6 Bm. So iron is a strong ferromagnetic substance, that is ferromagnetic substance. So what is diamagnetism? That means the magnetism a substances are not attracted by the magnet. By the magnet is known as diamagnetism. That is, what is diamagnetism? The magnetism where substances are not attracted by the magnet. Simply say, when substances are repelled by the magnet, that is known as diamagnetism. Next one, reason for diamagnetism. Reason for diamagnetism. Reason for diamagnetism means absence of unpaired electrons. Simply say presence of paired electrons. So absence of unpaired electrons. So for example, zinc. We know that zinc is a diamagnetic substance. How? That means that we take zinc. So zinc atomic number, Z atomic number is 30. Therefore electronic configuration argon 18, 4s2 20, 3d10 30. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 according to Cotes rule. So this is the valence shell of zinc. In zinc, number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electrons is equal to 0. So n is equal to 0. So zinc exhibits as diamagnetism. So zinc is a diamagnetic substance. So why zinc acts as diamagnetic substance? Because absence of unpaired electrons. N is equal to 0, therefore mu is equal to square root of n into n plus 2 into Bm. That it's also 0. Mu into 0 plus 2 Bm, that is equal to mu is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to 0, mu is equal to also 0.